So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active. Because you cannot watch National Geographic with not having YouTube TV base plan first. So if you don't have the YouTube TV base plan yet, to buy it, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon, and then you want to click on all to see all the networks that was available, and then on the YouTube TV network, you want to click on it, and then you want to purchase the YouTube TV base plan by paying for $60 per month, and you can get free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then after you have the YouTube TV base plan, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for Nat. And here on Nat Geo, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down and see the live session of the National Geographic. And you can also see any series, movies, or any shows from National Geographic on demand. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch National Geographic on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.